Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome to my channel. Today, I've got a powerful true story that I just had to share with you all. It's a story of grit, determination, and the incredible strength of the human spirit. So, grab a seat, and let's dive right in. Our story takes place a few years ago, in a small town where I met a remarkable person named Sarah. Sarah had dreams bigger than the sky, but life had thrown some pretty tough challenges her way. Despite facing adversity, she showed us what it truly means to persevere. One day, Sarah decided to pursue her passion for painting. She loved art since she was a kid and knew this was her calling. She opened her very first art gallery in the heart of town with a heart full of hope. But, just as things were looking up, a devastating fire broke out in the building next door, completely destroying her gallery. Now, most people would have given up at this point, but not Sarah. She could have easily thrown in the towel, but instead, she chose to rise above the ashes. It wasn't easy, and trust me, she shed some tears, but she didn't let that fire consume her dreams. Sarah started from scratch, working day and night to rebuild her gallery. She faced financial struggles, and it seemed like every step forward was met with 2 steps back. But you know what? She never stopped believing in herself and her art. Gradually, people in the community noticed Sarah's unwavering determination. They rallied behind her, offering support, encouragement, and financial assistance. It was amazing to see how the town came together for her. Finally, after months of hard work, Sarah's gallery was ready to open its doors once again. This time, it was even more beautiful and inspiring than before. Her artwork spoke volumes about her journey, and it touched the hearts of everyone who walked through those doors. The most incredible part of this story is that Sarah's journey wasn't just about art, it was about life itself. She taught us that setbacks are inevitable, but they don't define us. It's our response to those setbacks that truly matters. Sarah showed us that we can rise above anything with perseverance and the support of a loving community. And there you have it, the true story of Sarah and the power of perseverance. I hope this story inspires you as much as it did me. Life can be tough, but remember, you have the strength to conquer anything that comes your way. So, never give up, keep moving forward, and remember, you've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, fam.